Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Paula Talihabi. Today we're doing eyebrows. So finally the long awaited video is here. We'll jump straight into the tutorial. So I'll be using a spoolie, a slanted brush, a brown eye pencil, a concealer, and this brush is just an alternative to a spoolie, so in case you don't have a spoolie, you can also use this one. It works well. Using the spoolie, I start by brushing my eyebrows in line. I then take my pencil and start by outlining the lower part of my eyebrow. I make sure I follow the shape of my eyebrow. When I'm done with that, I brush my eyebrows downwards and then I take the eye pencil again and outline the upper part. Notice that I do not start at the same level as the lower one. I follow the shape of my eyebrows again. When I'm done with that again, I brush my eyebrow upwards, then I start filling it. I use light strokes when doing this. Also make sure that your eye pencil is sharp to get the best results.
Maybe just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where.
Next, using the brush, I take some concealer and slowly by slowly apply it under my eyebrow. The secret is to try as much to use just enough amount of the product, not too little and not too much, especially when you're intending to do the eyebrows only.
You give me roses, set me apart. All I feel was bliss, but you were never there, you were never. I want us to be what we used to be this night. Maybe just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where.
I repeat the same process above my eyebrow and then slowly by slowly I start blending.
Down in empty streets, looking for joy. I don't wanna admit I'm better on my own, better on my own. You say we're not meant for each other. I'm not sure of this. I won't give up on this, I won't give up. Cause I don't wanna behave like the wanna flee, like the wanna leave. I'll never surrender, but ever remember my lover. Did you give up on me?
When I'm satisfied with that, I take my spoolie again and brush my eyebrow to remove excess product and also make the eyebrow look as natural as possible. This is where most people make a mistake because they forget to fade the front part by brushing the hair towards the front, and thus it looks so unreal. And my first eyebrow is done, on to the second one. I repeat the same process just as the first eyebrow.
Whispered promises straight to my heart. I'd never noticed, but you were never there, you were never there. Hey, you gave me roses, set me apart.
Here are a few things to note. 1. The pencil I'm using is Davis. You can use either color number 3 or 18 if your complexion is close to mine. But if you're dark brown, that is darker than me, then it's okay to use a black eye pencil.
There's no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where. Think it better and I swear.
2. The best concealer to use is one that is at least 2 times lighter than your skin color. 3. Patience is key. You need to take your time to achieve the best result, and also, learning takes time, and through practice, you become better every day.
Don't wanna admit I'm better on my own, better on my own. You say we're not meant for each other.
4. It's important to know the shape of your face to know which eyebrow suits you.
I won't give up. 'Cause I don't wanna behave like the wanna flee, like the wanna leave. I never surrender, but ever remember my lover. Did you give up on me? Have you never learned a lesson? Sorry, I will never be. You're the one you wanna see. Think it better go someplace I don't know, 'cause I got your picture on my wall. I want us to be what we used to be this night. Maybe just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where. Think it better and I swear follow you no matter where. Think it better and I swear follow you no matter where. Whispered promises straight to my heart. I'd never noticed, but you were never there, you were never there. Hey, you gave me roses, set me apart. All I felt was bliss, but you were never there, you were never. I want us to be what we used to be this night. Maybe just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where. Think it better and I swear follow you no matter where.
My second eyebrow turned out to be longer than my first eyebrow, so in such a case, there's no need to worry, as you can always rub off the excess using the concealer or the leftover concealer in your brush.
Down in empty streets, looking for joy. I don't wanna admit I'm better on my own, better on my own. You say we're not meant for each other. I'm not sure of this. I won't give up on this, I won't give up. 'Cause I don't wanna behave like the wanna flee, like the wanna leave. I never surrender, but ever remember my lover. Did you give up on me? Have you never learned a lesson? Sorry, I will never be. You're the one you
One of the biggest challenge is to make them look like they're coming from the same family.
I got your picture
They can't look exactly the same, but you can at least try to balance them out.
this night. Maybe just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where. Think it better and I
And voila! This is the final look. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you found this helpful. Please remember to subscribe and like to reach a wider audience. Thank you so much for watching. For me, it's a bye-bye.
Whispered promises straight to my heart.